Hi, welcome to AI Art and Animation. Today we're going to look at a tool called Agility Writer, and we are going to use it to generate AI content that achieves a score of 50% or better on Originality.ai. So Agility Writer is a paid AI content generator, and it's the best way that I've found to quickly and reliably make content that scores high originality scores. So it's similar to like SurferAI and ContentAtScale. The primary difference is it's a lot cheaper. So let's jump right into it. We're going to start with, obviously you have to create an account to Agility Writer. There are links to Agility and Originality in this video description, so check those out. So you start out on your dashboard, and in order to create your, content that's going to rank well on Originality, you have to go into advanced mode. Agility Writer has different modes, and some of the modes will just basically generate similar content that you would on like ChatGPT, so AI content, but it also has this ability to generate AI undetectable content. So the first thing you do is you have to give it your article title. We're going to do an article on the best Yosemite campgrounds. If you would like to improve your article title, you can click Get an Idea right here, and it will give you like suggestions on articles. So our region is USA, main headings. So this basically lets AI or Agility Writer know how many H2, H3 headings you want throughout the article. So I'm going to keep it at 5. The most I've been able to do is 8, because this also impacts how much content it creates. The times where I've selected 8, it A, will take a lot longer to create the article, and then B, the article is like over 7,000 words, which those are not bad things, but like just keep that in mind. So I'm going to keep it at 5. It's going to default to an advanced article structure. You want to keep it there. You want to define your audience. So this is going to be outdoor enthusiasts. I can never spell that word correctly. Okay. And I always keep the tone casual, but you could make it professional or analytical or whatever. AI detection, so it's going to default to standard. You have to change it to advanced. If you don't, then the content is not going to achieve the score that you want. So once you do that, skip this article outline section for now. So next, you want to enter the terms and keywords that you want to rank for. This is a great feature. I'm going to drop in some keywords here. Don't worry about the numbers. It'll strip those out. So this is a great way to improve the SEO of your article. So you want to make sure that FAQ, title, and description is selected. This is going to put a little, it's usually 3 or 4 FAQ points at the bottom. This gives you some, when you generate the article, it'll give you some word title variations should you want them, and also give you some different meta description options. So make sure that it's selected to in-depth factual data, because there's a few options here, and skip this part. So you also want to make sure your ad styling option is selected, because that's going to give you markdown formatting. So you'll get like bullet points and bold text, etc. So this feature, image prompts, this will basically create mid-journey prompts for you should you want them. We'll select it. So you could actually create some AI art and imagery here. So authority links, this is an important one for SEO. This will link out to high authority websites from your article, and you definitely want to make sure that that is selected. The next one is internal custom links. So this is also great for SEO. This will enable Agility Writer to link to other articles like on your blog. So if you click that, it gives you a space where you can drop in some URLs. So I'm going to drop in a few. And it'll actually link to these other articles that are already on your blog. So after you've done that and everything looks good, click Create Outline, and it's going to basically generate an outline for you. Okay, so once it's finished generating the outline, you will see what the structure of your article is going to be. And this is great because it allows you to just check and make sure that Agility is including everything that you want included in this article. So these are all the different Yosemite campgrounds that it's going to. Right, so once it's done generating your outline for you, you can basically get a preview of what your article is going to be like, what the structure of it is going to be. And this enables you to make sure that it's writing the type of article that you want it to write. You get 3 different variations on an article. So, you know, it's just, they're all slightly different. You can also add your own sections if you wanted to, or just change things. So once that's done, you basically just click Add to Writing Queue. And then Agility is going to start processing your article. So our article is generated here, and you can see that it is a 3,747 word article, which is great. If you click on it, you can see the preview. So this is an overview, or this is the article itself, and you can see like everything that it's done. So right off the start here, it's actually linked out to an article that's on my blog, which is great. And it's done that throughout the article based on the URLs that I gave it. So this is great. So we're going to click to copy article. You have to click this button twice, and we're going to go over to Originality to see how this article is going to rate. So we can just drop the article into Originality, and I'll just take the title out of it, put it here. And now, so this is, you know, over 3,000 words. So Originality cannot scan for plagiarism if it's over 3,000 words. So we're going to unselect that, and it's just going to have the Detect AI option. So we're going to run the scan. And we're going to see what this comes back with. It takes a few seconds. And voila, we have like a 78% original on Originality.ai and 22% AI. So that's pretty good considering we didn't do anything in this article in terms of, it was all written by Agility. So you could go back and modify things, maybe bring in your own tone of voice and improve this original score even more. So go back over to Agility. A few features that I think are really cool that it does is I like the way that it makes sure to include like bullet point lists. It also adds in tables, which is great. It will also tell you, so if you scroll all the way to the bottom, and it'll show you where the article ended. It looks like it actually forgot to complete one of the FAQs, but it'll show you the article end. And below here, it has a lot of useful data. So here is where it will give you additional title ideas if you just wanted to experiment with more. It gives you more meta description ideas. It also gives you the factual data that it used. So it's telling you the different facts that it used to build your article. It's also giving you the source URLs. So I think it's great if you sometimes, things like ChatGPT can like hallucinate information that's not actually true. So what's great with Agility is it's showing you where it's pulling all this data, which I think is super helpful. So anyway, I hope this video was useful. Again, there are links to Agility and to Originality in my video description. And please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.